Guys, Dogecoin is consolidating after a massive recovery to the upside, and we are holding very strongly at 5 cents. I personally believe that Dogecoin is in a perfect setup through technical analysis to break out to the upside and make massive gains. I predict and I project within the next couple of days, we are going to see some great and big movement, not only to Dogecoin, but to Cardano, to Bitcoin, to Ethereum, to all of cryptocurrencies, because the stimulus has been passed and there's going to be some massive news. There's going to be some massive moves in the cryptocurrency space. So you guys need to stay until the end of the video, because I am going to be showing you through technical analysis what could possibly happen next for Dogecoin within the next couple of days and potentially hours. So you guys need to stay so you can find out and be ready for what is going to be happening to Dogecoin in the relative short term. Do you guys think Dogecoin is going to be breaking out to the upside or to the downside? Let me know in the comments below and let's discuss it. I will try to answer all of my comments within the first 24 hours. Alright guys, real quickly before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I put out videos calling big plays. If you see my last video on Cardano, I call out a massive play, and I was exactly precise to the price that it would hit and to the day and to the time. So if you want some accurate information about stocks or cryptocurrencies, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss out on a single video. And guys, if this video has helped you in any way, or if my content has helped you in any way, please hit that like button. It really helps. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Myles and I have over 12 years of investment and trading experience, and I want to help you make money. Through my failures and through my successes, I have learned a lot, and this information I want to share with you for free. Okay guys, the stock market and the crypto market has been beaten down. A lot of this has brought a lot of fear and emotion into the markets, both stocks and cryptos. So there has been a lot of emotional selling. There has been a lot of selling, people taking profits. There's been a lot of liquidations on long positions. So it has caused a massive chain reaction for cryptocurrencies, for Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the altcoins, specifically Dogecoin. But what was interesting is we saw, as we are seeing in this current chart right here, a massive V-shaped recovery. And what that shows us on the 1 hour chart, and we can even see it on the 4 hour chart, is that Dogecoin holds strong. There's a lot of money backing Dogecoin. But what we must understand is with cryptocurrencies run very hard. Cryptocurrencies make massive gains. And so whenever a thing, especially a cryptocurrency, makes massive gains, there needs to be a time to cool off. There needs to be a time to correct a little bit, to come back down. The people are going to be taking profits, and this is what causes the price to drop. Bitcoin miners, Ethereum miners, a lot of people who are mining these cryptocurrencies, they sold at the top in order to make profit, and they have to sell. They have to sell, guys, in order to make profits as a mining company. If they were continue to hold their Bitcoin, yes, they would have value monetarily, but they do not have the money they need in order to continue funding their operations and to continue growing as mining companies. So we must understand that people were taking profits, and it just caused a massive chain reaction. It also didn't help with the bond yield numbers to go up. That traditionally will cause the market to drop a little bit for a couple of days. But what we recently saw was yesterday, or I believe this very morning, Saturday, that stimulus was finally passed, and it's going to continue to get passed, and the president is going to do all in his power as he's urging Congress to do all they can to get it passed. I personally believe that the stimulus is going to be passed within the next 14 days and signed by the president, and that those who will be receiving the stimulus checks, they will be receiving checks, and this money is going to be directly put back into the economy. It's going to be put into the stock market, and especially cryptocurrencies, because cryptocurrencies are the best performing asset class in the entire world, in the entire universe. Cryptocurrencies way outperform the S&P 500. Cryptocurrencies way outperform any stock, but they do so consistently. Cryptocurrencies allow for people to become rich with just thousands of dollars. For holding that bag long term, you can turn thousands of dollars into potentially millions and millions of dollars, especially if we can see Cardano, if we can see Ethereum, if we can see Dogecoin hit 10x from here by the end of the year. And I really believe that is true, especially with the coming bull run that is going to be taking off. In the very immediate short term, we are going to be seeing a massive parabolic rise in the cryptocurrencies, a rise that we have not yet ever seen before. And Dogecoin is going to be along for this ride. Dogecoin is going to get to $1. I don't know how long it's going to take. I don't know how long it's going to be, but I personally believe that if we do see a massive rise in the cryptocurrencies, which we will, which experts, which financial analysts have been predicting for a very long time, which will happen, Dogecoin is part of the cryptocurrency market and they have a massive market cap within the cryptocurrency space. So they are certainly going to continue to grow, and Dogecoin is going to be growing probably even more rapidly than Bitcoin, maybe even more rapidly than Ethereum, but we will have to sit back and wait and see. Dogecoin, along with other cryptocurrencies, especially altcoins, are going to make massive rises in the immediate short term and by the end of the year and in years to come. So guys, we're going to go ahead and take a look through technical analysis at a Dogecoin chart. And we need to see through technical analysis what is next for Dogecoin, because we are in a consolidation period, but Dogecoin is actually forming a symmetrical triangle pattern. Depending which way it breaks out of the pattern, there could be a massive rise to the upside or the downside. Yes, anything could happen, but I believe personally that it's going to be going to the upside because we have a lot of factors, we have a lot of catalysts that are going to be bringing these altcoins up, including the updates for Cardano, the updates for Ethereum, and that is going to further boost these altcoins. Also, with Bitcoin and Ethereum, they are going to be retracing, and we are going to see a massive rise in the immediate short term for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and that is going to further pump also Dogecoin. So if we go ahead and take a look at a chart, we are seeing a massive, look at this guys, a massive recovery right here after the big dip. Look at guys, a massive dip all the way from the top from 8 cents. But we see a massive recovery here, guys, an amazing recovery. And I believe that we are going to be breaking out to the upside. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a symmetrical triangle pattern which Dogecoin is forming this very second. All right guys, if we take a look at the charts here, we are seeing a symmetrical triangle pattern, and this pattern can be neutral, but it can also be a great bullish sign as we are now in an uptrend. We have recovered very strongly, we've retraced a little bit, but it is very likely that we are going to continue as we are making higher lows. We are seeing this consistently, which means we are in an uptrend. It could be very possible that we can break out within the next couple of days. It could be within a couple of hours from now, but within the next couple of days, by March 2nd, we will be breaking out of this pattern 100% for sure. However, whether we go to the upside or go to the downside depends on the price movement. But as I've already said, there's a lot of factors, there's a lot of catalysts that are going to be bringing it to the upside. So I personally believe within the next couple of days that we are going to trend and break out of this pattern. I personally believe that if we can get a massive breakout, that we can break out and touch 6 cents. And if you are holding a long position, if you are looking to take profits and figure out what level you'd want to take profits, if there is a massive breakout, I would look for half of this stick right here, which would be 5.5 cents, or the price target, which would be 6 cents is the total price target, but I would try to cut my profits right before that. However, I personally believe that if we can break out, that we can hit 6 cents or that we can hit 5.5 cents. And if we can hit 5.5 cents, we could possibly see a consolidation period, which would be forming another opportunity to break out to hit 6 cents and beyond. Also guys, there is 3 levels of resistance that we must take note of, that we must be aware of. And they are gonna be about 5.5 cents, nearly 6 cents, 0.058, and then 6 cents. These are 3 key levels. And if we can break out of this one and confirm and continue to break out, we are going to come up and test this. We are going to have to come up and test this and see if we can surpass it, if we can break that level of resistance. And then we're going to come up and initially, again, hit the level of 6 cents and beyond. So we must watch out to see if we can break this level of resistance. If we can break this level of resistance within the next couple of days by breaking out of this pattern, it could be a very bullish sign for Dogecoin that Dogecoin is headed to the moon in the immediate short term. So I just want you guys to be prepared and to be ready, because this could be a great buying opportunity for Dogecoin. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes, but we're in a consolidation period. And what that shows is that there's a little bit of indecision. There's not a lot of selling, there's not a lot of buying, but I would urge you to consider purchasing Dogecoin and this level, this area that we are currently at, because we are holding strongly here and we are at a discount. And we're going to continue because we're in an uptrend to the upside, especially with all the catalysts that are coming out. I personally think that Dogecoin is in a great discount right now. And if you bought the dip right here, congratulations to you for your successful trade. But I think that we are in a dip now at a discount. And I think cryptocurrencies in the immediate short term, especially within the next couple of weeks, we are going to be making some massive moves to the upside. All right, guys, that's it for the video. If you like the video, please hit that like button. Go ahead and blow up the comments. Come meet me in the Discord. Come check me out on Patreon and share this video with some of your friends and family. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys tomorrow.